As a little extra to help you get started, we do have the templates to create a cover like this and also to create a mock-up if you would like to do something like that. So it's a Canva template that you can use if you have a free Canva account. And when you're in your template, your landing page template, you'll see that there is a link here for you. That takes you to a Dropbox link that shows you all the mock-ups, the images, but also there's a text file inside that looks like this, and it has the links to the different mock to the different templates. So there's also a product mockup template, which is a little more complex, and it goes with our product funnel, but you can also use it however you would like. We also have more training on using Canva, and we also, if you want to make the 3D graphic of the cover like that, we show our favorite tool there. So I'll go to Canva and quickly show you how to add these templates to your account. So when you have the link ready, it opens up a template created by yhou'll, which is our parent company. It will allow you to go in there. So you go view template, and then you can open an editor. And now it's in your account, actually. If you go to your main page, you'll see it's been added. This is your copy to work with. Just to give you a quick overview, because we're not going to do a full Canva lesson here, but you can see all the different elements that are here. When you go to, you put your mouse over, then you put position, and it shows you the different elements. This is a background. This is that box there. There's the text. And you can just edit these different parts and use the editor up here to change colors, fonts. The background image you can do by looking for elements, and you can search for whatever you'd like. Obviously, pick something that's related to what you want. You probably want a photo as a background, and you can select it. And once you've done that and you want to replace this background, you go replace background, and that is done for you. So let's take a look quickly at the mockup as well, and then we'll let you get creating yourself. It's the template's created, you view the template, you add it into your account, and then you can start working with it. So again, to see what's here, we have the position, and you could see it's this 3D cover graphic that we created with that eCover Authority tool. That is our favorite tool for making the graphics. Once you have that flat graphic from Canva, you put it in that tool. The link to that is inside the Canva template link if you want to try that tool as well. Then it's just 4 pages that we've arranged on the page that you can keep or use. It is a well-being report if that fits, and that's pretty much it. You can edit them how you'd like. Be sure to check out our Canva tutorials, and you will learn those skills, and you can update that on your landing page template.